Hi, welcome back. In this video we look at a channel tab overview. See, when we click on this opens, this is partner verified. Even our newly created channel we verified with our mobile, so then this is visible. Once after getting partnership, this is visible. See, it shows different channel properties like monetization, longer videos, external annotations, custom thumbnails, paid content. We look at these things in detail when we talk about channels, but if you want to access any of these related to your entire channel, this is the place, especially enabling and disabling different options available with YouTube channel. If you want to, for example, branding, upload the logo, see the branding watermark, a channel branding element to overlay on your videos. We can add the watermark here. I will show you how to add that watermark. And advanced, this is what you need to look in the beginning. For example, country, try to change the country to India. And channel keywords, channel level keywords, always try to add as many keywords as possible. See, I added almost all related to recipes, cooking, recipes, Telugu, Andhra, Indian, healthy recipes, cooking, like that. Try to fill the channel keywords. For example, your channel is about tutorials, then write down tutorials. If your tutorials are in Hindi, try to write down Hindi tutorials, India, and whatever you want. These are very basic keywords. You need to get the keywords as many. In the next section, I talk about what are keywords, how to get keywords, how to do research for keywords, all those things in the next section. Till then, just write whatever the keywords you want. Advertisements, you need to keep this active if you want to make some money, because if your channel is not activated for advertisements, of course this is not monetization. Monetization is different. This is monetization. This is advertisements. You need to give permission to YouTube to show advertisements on your videos. That is what is the purpose of this statement. Allow advertisements to be displayed along my videos. Yes, see, you need to activate this. If you have any AdWords account, you have to link that. Associate website is there. And channel recommendations, allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations. Yes, definitely we need our channel to recommend in other channels. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Yes, this is also required. And click on save finally after if you do any changes. So that is what is about channel overview. See, it is almost everything is enabled, eligible, paid content is eligible, fan funding is not available. But once if you see our software tutorials, this is verified but ineligible. Why? We need to update our country, then only it is visible, eligible. Enabled, ineligible, embed live streams. See, I told you, you need to activate, then only live streams are available. Live streaming, you need to activate some options to get live streams activated in your channel. We look at those things in the coming videos. Just open your channel and play with the channel settings. First of all, verify this. See you in the next video. We look at analytics. Thank you so much.